Hello aspirants, these are the MCQs that have been taken from the India Yearbook 2020. The information provided in the India Yearbook 2020, I have pointed out or taken out some of the important facts and mentioned them as in the form of an MCQ. So this is the first MCQ. Mainland India extends between 8 degree 4 minutes and 37 degrees 6 minutes north latitudes, and in the longitude it is 68 degree 7 minutes and 97 degree 25 minutes east. So this is absolutely correct. This is 68 degree 7 minutes east. This is 97 degree 25 minutes east. We know that India lies here in India lies here somewhere, and this is the eastern hemisphere and this is the northern hemisphere. Therefore northeast, these are right, and this is 8 degree 4 minutes latitude. 8 degree 4 minutes is somewhere here near Indra Point, and this is 37 degree 6 minutes. I'm sorry, I believe that 8 degree 4 minutes is somewhere here. Indra Point is not here, but anyway I will get back on that to you. And it measures 2933 km from north to south and 3214 from east to west. That is incorrect. These are exchanged, so therefore the correct answer should be B. Yep. The other question is, census 2011 was the 16th census since 1872, and the population of density of India in 2011 was 382. This is correct, and 16th census is incorrect since it was the 15th census, not the 16th. Now, design of national flag was adopted, or flag by the Constituent Assembly was adopted on July 22nd, 1947. Correct. The Flag Code of India came effective from 26 January 2002. Correct. A should be the answer. Now, the national anthem was sung on 27 December 1911 at Calcutta session. Correct. The complete song consists of 5 stanzas. That is also correct. I believe A is the correct answer. The national calendar is based on the Saka era with Chaitra as its last month. Correct. It was adopted from 22nd March 1957 along with and this is incorrect. This is not the last month. This is the first month. Chaitra is not the last month. This is the first month. So this is incorrect. One is incorrect. Therefore, it could be D or C. It was adopted from 22nd March 1957 along with Gregorian calendar for many official purposes. This is correct. Therefore, C is the correct answer. Now, Shri Girish Chandra Murmu is the first Lieutenant Governor of J&K. Correct. And Radhakrishna Mathur of Ladakh. This is also correct. J&K has been since 31st October, I believe, been divided into two. This is Ladakh area, and this is the new Union Territory of J&K. Both are the Union Territories. Now, Girish Chandra Murmu is of J&K, and Radhakrishna Mathur is of Ladakh. Therefore, you have to build up your own strategy or mnemonics to maybe remember or remind yourself the answers during the examination. For example, the only thing I could come up of was alphabets, or not the only thing, but this is the most easiest I thought for A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Therefore, G comes before R. Therefore, Girish Chandra. And similarly, if we see in terms of verticality from or the distance from the equator, J and K is closer. Therefore, G comes before. Similarly, J&K come before. The Girish Chandra Murmu is the lieutenant of J&K, and Radhakrishna Mathur is of Ladakh. But everybody has their own strategy. Whatever helps you. These are just strategies to remember. Somebody or some people have the tendency to remember so many facts. So it is up to you. But the correct answer is A. Yep. Now, which of the following states are included in Schedule 6 of Indian Constitution? Schedule 6 provides special status to some of the states in matters of culture and tribes. Therefore, it is Assam. It is yes, Assam is there. Is Manipur there? Is the question. Or is Tripura there? Is the question. Or is Mizoram there? Is the question. Or is Meghalaya there? Is the question. The correct answer should be Assam is there, Meghalaya is there, Tripura is there, Mizoram is there. C is the correct answer. Assam is there, Meghalaya is there, Tripura is there, Mizoram is there. Therefore, Assam is there, yes. Meghalaya is there, yes. Tripura is there, yes, and Mizoram is there. Some people have this as their remembering code, or the code through they wish remember. We know Assam should be there because NRC was conducted in Assam, therefore go for Assam, not Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh has inner line permit, which will be discussed in the next question. T. Therefore, the only state in northeast with T is Tripura. Now comes M and M. It could be Meghalaya, Mizoram, Manipur. Therefore, you have to remember that Manipur is not there, Meghalaya and Mizoram is there. Now, which of the following come under inner line permit? Assam. See, if Assam is there, just try remembering by common sense, or remember a fact that ILP, the only state in ILP plus schedule 6 is Mizoram. Therefore Assam is not there. Arunachal Pradesh not in 6th schedule, therefore ILP. Manipur not in 6th schedule, therefore ILP. Nagaland not in 6th schedule, therefore Nagaland is in ILP. And Mizoram is the only state, therefore B should be the correct answer. Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur and Mizoram. Now consider the following statements. 42nd Amendment of the Constitution adopted in 1976. Fundamental duties of the citizens were added. This is correcto. And Article 51A contained in Part 4A deals with fundamental duties. C. Correct. Removal of president is mentioned in Article 61 and removal of vice president 67. Correct. First Lok Sabha met on 13th May. Correct. Om Birla is the current speaker of the 16th Lok Sabha. Incorrect, because it is 17th Lok Sabha. Therefore the correct answer should be A. In case of Manipur, the will of the Lok Sabha prevails. Correct. Is the statement true? Yes, it is true. Both houses of the parliament have similar structure with few exceptions. Correcto. The appointment term, office, function and procedure of the committee structure is mentioned in the Article 118 Part 1 of Constitution. Correct. C. Now, committee on estimates, public account and public undertaking are examples of standing committees of parliament, along with many others. Correct. Members of the Rajya Sabha are associated with committees on public account and public undertaking, whereas members of the committee of estimate are drawn from Lok Sabha. This is also correct. This is a typo. There should be committee of estimate are drawn from Lok Sabha. This is correct. And now the Ministry of Parliament Affairs takes a follow-up actions on matters raised under Rule 377 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in Lok Sabha, and we have special mention in RS. Correct. After question hour in Lok Sabha, member raise matters of urgent public importance at 11 a.m. and the corresponding time at Rajya Sabha is 12 noon. This is also incorrect, because it is in Lok Sabha it is 12 noon and Rajya Sabha it is 11 a.m. Therefore the correct answer should be A. Now, the Comptroller and Auditor General is appointed by President. This is correct. Duties and powers and conditions of Comptroller and Auditor General have been specified by the CAG Act 1971. Correct. C. The Attorney General is appointed by President of India. This is also correct. Attorney General shall hold office during the pleasure of President and receive such remuneration as the President may determine. This is also correct. C should be the correct answer. Solicitor General of India is the government's chief legal advisor and its primary lawyer in the Supreme Court of India. Yes, it assists the AG and is associated by and is assisted by additional Solicitor Generals. Correct. C. Now, Solicitor General is appointed by Prime Minister of India. This is incorrect, because not by Prime Minister of India. It is appointed by a committee of cabinet or committee on cabinet. Now, Solicitor General advises the government and appears on behalf of Union of India in terms of Law Officers Rule 1972. This correcto B should be the correct answer, not A. Or the question should be incorrect code as 1. The Appointment Committee of the Cabinet appoints Solicitor General. Solicitor General advises the government and appears on behalf of Union of India in terms of law officer. This is correct. Correct answer should be B if it is correct code, and if it is incorrect code, then it should be A. Consider the following statement: the Attorney General of India is a constitutional post. Correct under Article 76, but yes, that is also correct. The post of Solicitor General and additional Solicitor General are statutory. Correct, not constitutional. Therefore, both statements are true. Now, Chief Cabinet Secretariat function directly under Prime Minister. Yes, it is responsible for administration of Government of India. Rules 1961, transaction of business, allocation of business rule. These are also correct. C is the correct answer. So this was all for today. We'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.